What's up, guys? My name is Nana Kofi, and this is Farmhouse. In the episodes of Farm Talks, I told you in the previous video that we shall be doing a farm tour, and we are in GOH Farms, and we are in GOH Farms in Farmer George Farm, and I'm going to walk you through the farm. Is going to tell us the breeds we have over here, the age, and some of them that are on sale, whether it's into the pure breed, the mixed breed, the hybrids, and in fact, the animals that are also ready for you watching to purchase. And so stay tuned even as we go through this nice episode.
All right. So here are some of the breeds we have here at Go Farms. I have here a checkered giant. It's a female rabbit. It's just on its first. We've just bred it with another checkered rabbit. We are expecting some bunnies very soon. Hopefully by next week, we'll be expecting some bunnies. It's now 5.5 months, getting to 6 months. We usually breed at 5 months. Yeah. And this is a Palomino rabbit, also waiting to deliver very soon. Yeah. And that's a Hyla rabbit. This is a Hyla Max rabbit. This one with the gray nose, ears, and then feet. Yeah. This is a Chinchilla rabbit. It's also a female. Mostly all rabbits here are females, with a few males up there. This is a Silver Martin. This is a male. Yeah, it's a Silver Martin back. It's a breeding male here. Now this is a Lionhead. Lionhead with its bunnies or kids around it. Yeah. Very cute ones. So these are mostly for pets. Yes. Alright. So over here is a New Zealand black. This is a New Zealand black hybrid. Yeah. It's a male. It's a breeding male here. And this is a checkered. It's a female. We just bred her this morning. And so it's just less than a day pregnant. And this is the oldest back here. The oldest. It's 3 years old. Very powerful. It's also a checkered giant. And this is a New Zealand white. This is a New Zealand white pure breed. Also pregnant, expecting some bunnies very soon. It's a female. Yeah. This is a checkered as well, but it's a male. This is what we call the checkered gold. That's a male. This is another New Zealand white female. Now this is a New Zealand red. New Zealand red male. It's a back. It hasn't started crossing yet, but it will very soon. It's now getting to 6 months. Yeah. Alright, so this is a New Zealand white male. It's a pure breed also. Yeah. This is a cinnamon back. It's a hybrid. Yeah. It's also been doing great works here. This is a Bevering doe, Bevering female rabbit. Small but mighty. Doing great work, taking care of 8 kids. Yeah, it's not easy at all.
8 kids?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
8 of them. 8 of them there. And this is also a checkered gold female. We just bred her this morning as well. Yes. Okay, let's look at the chinchilla. All right, so this is our chinchilla back. I call it CJ. Yeah.
Why CJ?
CJ, C for chinchilla.
Oh, okay.
J for Jeff. I got it from Farmer Jeff. Usually that's how I name my animals. Yes, because the ones
name will be your
good,
rabbits.
good. So with these ones, I call this red rain. So our red rain. It's a red, New Zealand red. I got it from Rain Farms. White rain, New Zealand white from Rain Farms. White rain, red rain. All right, all right, all right. So basically, these are the breeds around here, and then we have a couple of bunnies as well from the parent stock. Yeah, which are up for sale. If you're interested, you can give us a call or WhatsApp us, and we will serve you. Mm.
Can we see those lifted?
All right, sure.
This for my viewers to see how they look like.
All right.
Okay. Oh.
So I think these are about 11 or 12 days old. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, they look beautiful.
Mm. That's the mother.
Wow.
There's another mother as well. With a few kids here. These are about 2 days old.
2 days old.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There are a few more up here. This one has two.
Oh, wow.
This one should be about a week or so. Yeah. That's the mother. Yeah. This one's also there. Just came out of their boxes. Mm. Great.
This one also just came out from the
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then these ones. And this one is also about 2-3 days old.
Okay.
Like on this fellow. Hey.
The mom.
And these white ones are like
How many?
this is 6 of them.
Wow.
You also just open the eyes like that.
So which breed? The mother, which breed?
The mother is more of a Hyla.
How about the father?
The father is a pure white New Zealand over there. Yeah.
And how about this one? What was it?
This is a Palomino.
Palomino.
It was crossed by a hybrid New Zealand red. Yes, so I'm expecting some reds. Yeah. Expecting some cool, cute reds over there.
Go to the back.
Yeah. These are red offspring. That's a red. Cinnamon offsprings. Is from. It came from my red doe actually, but the father was cinnamon, so we got more cinnamon. Yeah. These are also from the same parents. Yes, I think we got a few New Zealand white and then some cinnamons. Yes. These are offsprings also from a chinchilla doe. So this was crossed by the silver martin, so we had a little bit of silver martin over there and this black. Yeah. Now this is a cinnamon checker. Like the cute butterfly marking over there. Yeah. And this is a chestnut, a very huge one.
How many? What was the age?
I think it's about 7 months. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Female.
Yeah, female. Female.
Are they part of the breeding stocks?
Yes, it's a stubborn one. Yeah, these ones are just waiting to be crossed. They waited. Yes. No, this is a male, but this is a female. Right. Now over here is a white.
The white family.
White. The New Zealand white hub. The white avenue, yeah. Over here we don't joke, only whites. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
These are the New Zealands.
Yeah. All these are hybrids. All these.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if anyone needs hybrids, they can
Sure,
call you.
sure. Just contact me. Just contact me.
Okay. So Farmer Jeff, your last word.
I'm a judge.
Hey, sorry. Farmer Jeff, your last
Alright,
word.
alright, okay. My last words. My last words. To every rabbit farmer out there, to keep going, never give up. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. Just make sure you are also in the same boat as we are, creating awareness. We are doing the great work, so keep doing it yourself as well. Make sure you join RACOC and come to Manifest. That's what we are all about. Thank you.